If you're seeking strategies to keep winter colds and the flu away, your answer may be as close as the local grocery store. You might be able to keep your immune system healthy so that it can combat certain infections, if you eat particular foods. It's crucial to eat a variety of foods to ensure that you're getting all the vitamins your body requires. To retain as many vitamins as possible, the ideal method to eat it is to cook it very little or not at all. Here are 10 foods you should eat to boost your immune system. 1. Spinach. Another vegetable high in vitamin C is spinach, which helps the body fight infection. Like broccoli, spinach should be cooked as little as possible to keep its health benefits. This will increase its vitamin A content and eliminate its oxalic acid. 2. Garlic. All around the world, meals contain garlic. It enhances food flavor and is very beneficial to your health. It has long been known to prevent infections. 3. Ginger. Ginger is a supplement that people begin taking once they get a cold, similar to vitamin C. People are unaware that ginger can also prevent you from acquiring a cold. 4. Turmeric. Many curries use the harsh, yellow spice known as turmeric. It has long been used to control swelling in rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. Additionally, it has just come to light that the curcumin that gives turmeric its color might ease muscle soreness after exercise. 5. Yogurt. Look for yogurts that have live and active cultures on the label to ensure that they will prevent you from becoming sick. These cultures can strengthen your body's immune system. Look for brands that include high levels of vitamin D in their yogurt. 6. Papaya. Papaya is another fruit high in vitamin C. One papaya contains 224% of the recommended daily dose of vitamin C. Papain, a digestive enzyme found in papaya, reduces bodily edema. It also contains healthy nutrients like potassium, B vitamins, and folate. 7. Poultry. Not only does chicken soup help you feel better while you're sick, but it can also help you avoid getting sick in the first place. Turkey and other poultry are high in vitamin B6. Just 100 grams of lean turkey or chicken flesh contains 40 to 50% of the daily B6 requirement. 8. Citrus fruits. Many people consider taking vitamin C when they have a cold. However, vitamin C can prevent you from becoming ill in the first place by producing white blood cells that helps the body fight infection. You can try grapefruit, oranges, tangerines, lemons, limes, and clementines as citrus fruits. Since your body cannot store vitamin C, make sure to take it every day. It's simple to include some citrus fruit with every meal because there are so many varieties to select from. 9. Bell peppers. Did you know? The amount of vitamin C in red bell peppers is double that of citrus fruits. Additionally, they include a lot of beta-carotene and vitamin C, which supports healthy good skin and eyes. 10. Broccoli. Broccoli is a different vegetable that contains a lot of vitamins and minerals. One of the healthiest vegetables available, broccoli is rich in antioxidants, vitamins A, C, and E, and other nutrients as well. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.